Today's class. So today's class is about list. So what is list? Now guys, tell me what is list. Your call. What is list? What is a list actually? Tell me any list. Tell me a physical list. Any idea of a physical list? You go to a restaurant, you see a menu, right? It's a list. Attendee list. You register. Okay, let's say you're a student. Group of elements. Exactly. It's a group. It's not a group of elements. It's again listing of elements. I say list has that specific meaning where it is in an order. Like it is easy to read. Like I say, lists are an ordered data which is easy to read, right? If there is no list, then it's pretty difficult to read data. It's ordered data which is easy to read. Okay, so some examples of lists are like the menu cards in restaurants, okay, and the student list in attendance registers, okay, and where else you see lists? You see lists everywhere actually. Even the check boxes you see here in the attendee list, it's a list actually. It's a list combined with a form. Okay, so list is something is nothing but an ordered data. That's it. That's all you're supposed to take. Now, when I say ordered data, let's say what exactly is an ordered data? Suppose you have seen yesterday, in AP, in Andhra Pradesh, or I don't know, I call it as Telangana maybe. Okay, in both the states. Okay, the EMSET results were out. So so the first they gave a ranking system. This guy is number 1 rank and this guy is number 2, and some other is number 3. So it's a list again. So we figured out, okay, number 1 ranker is so and so person, number 2 ranker is so and so person. So that list, suppose number 1, let's say I gave number 1 to me, okay. Number 1 is Sagar, and number 2, okay, Sandeep, and number 3, okay. These are arbitrary rankings. So these are not rankings actually. These are the people who have come here in today's class. Okay. Then Satyanarayana. Then number 4 is Chinmay. Because Chinmay is gone. Maybe Anil, you're here. I can't see the attendee list. Oh, everybody's here. Great. So number 5. Number 5 is Anil. Okay, so this is a list now. Now I can ask you guys, who is at number 4, who is at number 3. So this is an ordered data and it's easy to read, right? So that's the beauty of a list. So we can achieve this in a HTML page too. Okay, that is using list. And sometimes, okay, there are some scenarios where I don't need an ordered data, but I need data to be easily read, just like bullet points. Let's take bullet points. So bullet point 1 is this website. This website is used to learn PHP. And the next bullet point is this website delivers live classes. The next point, this website helps people carry on real-time jobs. Okay, so this is again a list, right? It's written in bullet points, or I'm using stars here because my laptop has no bullet points, which we can achieve in a HTML page. Okay, so these are points again. So lists are nothing but again points which are grouped, just like Satyanarayana has told that list is all about grouping things in an order so that it's easy to read. Okay, so these are the two types of lists we can do using HTML2. So the first list where there are numbers, it's called an ordered list because they are in numbers. We can easily read out that number 5 Anil, number 1 Sagar, number 2 Sandeep. And the next list is, it's a list again, but it's not ordered. You can jumble those, right? See, I can't place 1 after 2 and 3 after 1. It's in order. It has to follow that order. Whereas the next list where there are stars as points, they can be jumbled. They can be placed anywhere in that group, right? So that's called unordered list. Alright, so that's about list, and we see the syntax of list. How do we achieve ordered list and unordered list? Okay, so I'll be giving the syntax here. So let me just wrap this. So how's your day, guys? How's it going? Some people working here, some people are students, and Chinmay is having her vacation, I guess. You are having your holidays, right, Chinmay? And we are missing Ankush. Maybe Ankush may join us. I may call him today. Ankush and Jinesh. Great, fantastic. So yeah. So let's start. The syntax with the list. Today was awesome, fantastic. So now lists again. Lists have two tags, just like table. Table has one parent tag, one child tag, and another grandchild. I call it as okay, grandchild tag, like table, tr, and td. Like such, even list has two tags within inside. So this is the syntax. So OL. Okay, OL stands for ordered list. Okay, OL stands for ordered list, and it's a paired tag. It has a closing tag too. That's the outer tag, and the inside tag is the key tag. It maintains the list actually. So that tag is li stands for list item. So the easy way to remember this is order list and list item. Order list, list item. So OL li, take the first letter of two words, L from listed, I from items, so it's listed item. So again, this is a paired tag. It has a pair closing tag. So that is a closing tag there. Li. Okay, so order list li. Okay, so Mr. M, I don't know who is this Mr. M. You guys watch James Bond movies? Do you know James Bond? Yes. So there is an M in James Bond. So she is a prime. She's the manager of these spies. So James Bond is a spy. So we have Mr. or Miss, or I don't know. Yeah, we have M here. So welcome M. M, you cannot talk. All you can do is only type. Use the chat box to type anything you would like to. So I don't know how much of you guys understand the tool, but yeah, if you're regular to Tutos Live, then it's a cakewalk, I say. It's easy to do. So then yeah, list item. Then here goes the content. Okay, here goes the content. So this is an ordered list, and for unordered list the same syntax except for the tag name changes. So that's an ordered list, right? So now this time the ordered list, if you name it as UL, it's unordered list. That's it. The same syntax. Oh, actually, the people who are come yesterday, I missed a tag yesterday, select box, right? So but the syntax has been discussed, but the tag hasn't been shown in the program. That's what I missed it, but I'll be showing as soon as I finish this. We'll see that we see that example, and we'll move on to list. Okay, so this content. So that's it, the list. OL, it stands for ordered list, and UL stands for unordered list. Alright, so that's about the list, and there's nothing much. There are some attributes to list. For instance, we'll see that that in an example. I can't really explain that attributes now. Once we see the example, then we can explain about those tags, those attributes actually. Alright, so that is it about list. So guys, how do you feel about forms? I don't know, the videos are not out yet, but keep practicing forms. Forms are really important. I don't know how well you are with tables. None of you has submitted the tables assignment. So I imagine that you guys are failing to do it. So if you fail to do it, that means Tutos Live has failed to deliver. So we'll do it today. Yeah, make it more awesome your day by doing the assignment. Yeah. Forms you need to go through. Yeah, the videos are out. The table class. That's why the advantage of Tutos Live is that if you miss a class, you can follow the videos. I don't know. I'll make the videos paid to. In that case, maybe then only you will watch the videos. Alright.